Deep in Siberia, there is a lake so ancient, so deep, and so mysterious that it has become the center of strange stories, including reports of unknown creatures and even possible alien encounters. And this place is known as Lake Baikal. Located in Russia, Lake Baikal is the deepest lake on Earth, reaching more than 1,600 meters in depth, and it contains about 20% of the world's fresh water. But what makes this lake truly fascinating is not just its size, but the strange events that people claim to have experienced there. For centuries, local people have told stories about unusual lights appearing above the lake, moving silently across the sky, and sometimes disappearing into the water. Some believe these lights are natural, such as reflections or gas from the earth, but others suggest they could be unidentified flying objects, often called UFOs. These stories have continued for many years, making people wonder what might be hidden in this remote region. One of the most famous and mysterious stories comes from a group of Russian divers. According to reports, divers exploring the deep water of Lake Baikal claimed they encountered large humanoid figures underwater, wearing what looked like advanced suits, but without any visible equipment. The divers said these figures moved quickly and seemed to communicate in ways they could not understand. When the divers tried to approach them, something strange happened, and the mission had to stop suddenly. While there is no official evidence proving these encounters, the story continues to draw in attention because it comes from trained professionals who were familiar with underwater exploration. Some scientists believe these experiences could be caused by pressure, low temperature, or unusual light effects in deep water, which can affect human perception. Lake Baikal itself is already a mysterious place. It is one of the oldest lakes in the world, estimated to be over 25 million years old, and it contains unique species that exist nowhere else on Earth. Some researchers believe that there may still be unknown life forms living in its deep waters, because large parts of the lake remain unexplored. The extreme depth, cold temperature, and isolation of Lake Baikal make it difficult to study, which means there is still much we do not fully understand. This combination of science and mystery is what makes the lake so fascinating. So what do you think? Are these stories simply the result of human imagination and extreme conditions? Or could there really be something unknown, hidden deep beneath the surface? Lake Baikal is not just a lake, but a place where science meets mystery, and where the unknown continues to exist, reminding us that even on our own planet, there are still secrets waiting to be discovered.